Today we have a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is entitled Brat Learns She's Not Above the Law After Stealing Car.
How was the car stolen?
You stole it, that's all.
What do you mean, how was?
Stop! Now! Get in here! Get in here now!
No! You ain't
Ma'am?
gonna talk to me?
Destiny, get in here now! Get in here now!
On July 1st, 2022, Neillsville police stop a Dodge Avenger, reported stolen out of Monroe County, Wisconsin. The vehicle is flagged, confirmed, and already considered high risk. What should have been a controlled felony stop turns chaotic almost immediately when the suspect, Destiny, and her partner are questioned.
Get out of the car! Out of the car now! Out of the car!
About to get you
Is this
together.
your car? Get out. Show me your hands, okay? Just step out. Who's in the passenger seat?
You said what?
Whose car is it? Stop. Stay right there. Stop. This car is stolen. Destiny, stop now.
I'm gonna sit here and say my name is Destiny.
Sir, get out of the car, please. Get out of the car.
I'm gonna sit here and say
Shut
my
the
name
door. Turn around. Turn around.
What did I
Stop.
do? I didn't do
You
nothing.
stole the car. Stop.
I didn't steal a
Stop.
car.
Get over here now.
I didn't steal a car. No, I didn't steal a
1033
car.
is fine. 1033, 1078.
Calm down, ladies.
No. Come here. Destiny, stay right
No, I
there.
didn't
Don't
steal- I didn't
move.
steal a car.
Do not move.
Sir,
Come here.
Steal a car.
Whose vehicle is this?
I didn't steal a
Stop
car.
moving.
I didn't steal a
Stop
car.
moving.
I didn't
Okay,
steal a car.
come here.
Sir.
Come here. Now, stop.
No, I-
We're not playing these games.
No, I didn't steal a car.
Yes, you did.
sir.
What?
You didn't steal no car. I didn't steal no car.
Yes, you
Sir, why
did.
you put the
No,
vehicle,
I
why you
didn't.
pull your
I
weapon out so
didn't steal
fast
no
on
car.
us, sir?
Because this is a stolen vehicle.
I do not know that, sir.
I'm telling you right now, this is a stolen vehicle, okay?
Thank you for awareing me, sir.
Okay. Now, stand right here, please.
Right, sir. Calm
Do you have
down,
any
sir.
weapons on
No,
you?
I'm trying to catch this phone out of my pocket.
Okay, no.
and turn it off.
Come here. Come here, please.
I have no
Come
weapons
here.
on me,
Okay.
sir. Sir, you
Okay.
because I'm an African American man.
No, that has nothing to do with it.
Oh,
I'm
shut
only letting you
up.
know, okay?
How are you detaining me, sir?
I'm gonna put handcuffs on you. Stop.
Stop. Sir, please, please, sir.
I'm putting
Sir,
handcuffs
sir,
on you.
stop.
Destiny,
Sir,
stop. Now.
Sir, stop.
because
Sir,
I know
stop,
how
sir,
you is.
please.
You be
Sir,
bogus because
Stop.
no.
Hands
I know
behind
how
your
you
back
is.
now.
Stop.
Hands behind your back now.
No.
You're going down the ground if you do not put your hands behind
Your
your
ass
back.
is gonna go.
You're going down to the ground.
Sir,
Back up now.
Sir, stop.
Back up.
Sir, what are you doing?
Destiny, hands behind your back now.
Now,
Stop moving.
I swear to God.
Stop moving.
Sir, what's going on? Take my phone out of my pocket.
How was he supposed to know this car is stolen? I don't even know whose car is stolen. How was the car stolen?
You stole it. That's all.
What do you mean, how was?
Stop now. Get in
No,
here.
get the fuck
Get
out
in
of
here
me.
now.
No. You
Ma'am?
ain't gonna talk to me.
Destiny,
Look at
get in here
he's gonna
now.
Take off.
Get in here now. Sir, get out of the vehicle now. Stop going in the vehicle. Out. Stay right there. I'm not telling you
These are a
in.
bunch of fucking retards, man.
Get inside the vehicle.
No, I'm not gonna
Get inside the vehicle now.
Low IQ
I
motherfuckers,
can't
man.
do that. I don't.
Yes, you can.
I got anxiety. I'll sit on
Oh,
the
Here,
side.
you got
God.
about 2 seconds to get in the car. I'm putting you in there.
What are you gonna do
Get in
if I
there now.
don't?
Get in.
You still rookie yet?
Sir, listen to me, okay? You're going to be detained right now, okay?
What am I getting
If you're
detained for?
because you're in possession of a stolen vehicle.
I'm trying to
You
tell you, sir.
understand
Listen,
that?
listen, I understand. Listen to me, sir. We
Okay,
just
just turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why you
right
do-
right
why you
now,
being a-
at this time, you're being
you
detained.
being aggressive and threatening, sir. Man.
That has nothing to do with
Yes,
it.
it
This
is.
is a stolen vehicle.
To me with a weapon.
Come here.
You could just talk to me first. You came out and pulled your weapon out on me, man.
Two detained. She's in the back right now. She's being aggressive. All right, come here to the front of the car, please. Right to the front of the car.
Right here for me. Stay right there for me.
Okay, spread your feet out for me.
Go ahead, man. Damn.
Okay, any weapons on you other than what I got off you?
What's with y'all, man?
I told you this is a stolen vehicle, and you're the one that's driving it, okay?
Okay.
So
I
we
was not
can.
driving it first.
Okay, but you were driving it when I stopped you, correct? Anything else I should know that's on you here? Do you have an ID on you?
African American man.
What's your name?
African American male.
That's not your name. All right, we're going in the back.
My ID, my wallet is right on that car.
I'll go
You
grab
seen
it.
it. You seen it, but I gave you
I'll
my
go grab
wallet.
it then.
Pull your weapon out on him. Come on, man. Wait, you just pat me down.
I know he did, but this is my squad.
Now you want to touch me too?
This is my squad.
Y'all ain't some racist white boys. Honkies.
Yep. So raise your feet for me.
Oh, man, there you go, white boy, huh? That's why I fuck white people. They spit on them.
Take some fucking accountability.
What?
I didn't even do nothing. Why are you
Right.
just sitting here acting like
Step out
I
of the
did
vehicle.
something?
Step
I
out of the
didn't
vehicle.
do nothing.
Step out.
Oh, she slipped her
not gonna
cuffs.
Step out right now.
You're not finna my ass.
You're right. I'm not. Come out of the vehicle like I asked you to. Destiny, do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't.
Okay, can you grab my handcuffs, please?
No, because you're not finna sit
Okay,
here
then
and
get
shake
out of the
me.
vehicle.
Can you grab my hands?
Yes, I can grab your hands.
Can you grab this other one?
Yep.
So I'm not gonna sit here and play with you because I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back. Who's your partner here?
Who's your partner?
Destiny. Yes.
Who's your partner?
Yes.
Who's your partner? You got it under control now? You got it under control? Rookie?
All right.
What about like this? No, I'm
Step
just
to the
kidding.
front of this
I
car
don't
right
know
here.
what to do.
To make his way down.
All right, now face this car. Spread your feet out.
No, you can't touch
Spread
me.
your feet out.
No, I'm gonna tell you right now. You can't touch me because no, you
Stop.
can bring a female
Stop
officer
now.
here.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't have no, but you
Okay,
ain't gonna
because
touch
I'm
me.
searching you.
No,
It's
bring
happening.
a female
I'm
officer
searching
over
you.
here.
Ma'am, I'm not doing
No,
anything
you can
illegal.
no.
You're being searched.
You can bring a female officer over here right now.
You can push her up against that.
Bring a female officer right here. Over here right
Turn
now.
around.
Stop.
We're not playing
No.
these games.
Cooperate.
What the f you mean you can't? You ain't playing these games.
There is no female officers. So
Okay, well, why
sorry.
is you gonna sit here and touch me like the way you want to touch me?
Stop.
No, you ain't gonna sit here and touch me.
Destiny, knock it off.
But why is you gonna sit here and touch me the way you want to touch
Do
me?
not kick me again.
I swear to God, I'll get your ass inside the motherfucking head.
Okay, that's a felony. Thank you. You on the other side.
You good?
Do it, because you're gonna sit here and realize you ain't shit. I'll bring my motherfucking persons. I need to come up beside me. Touch me. Keep touching me. What you got? What you got? What you got? That's why my baby daddy ran away from your stupid ass, right? That's why he ran away from your dumb ass, right?
That's why he's in jail.
That's why he's in jail, not because his stupid ass ran away from your stupid ass.
Car.
Oh boy. She reproduced? Oh God. Oh boy. This ain't good. This ain't good. She reproduced, man. This is baby daddy said she's proud that her baby father ran from the police is in jail or some shit she said, man. This is horrible. Where have we gotten to as a society? Man, you know, and it's sad because kids start off so innocent, but they're raised in environments like this and they turn out to be the next, you know, they got no role models. You know, if it's a boy, he look for his pops, you know, be a good role model. This motherfucker out running from the cops, doing crime, this and that. Okay, well, shit. All right, pops, all right, whatever. Let me look for mom. Maybe mom could be a good role model. She out here stealing cars, doing dumb shit, getting locked up. What is the kid supposed to do? So what is he gonna do? He gonna start to do the same thing. He gonna start hanging out with the wrong crowd. Fucking low lifes, man. Pathetic.
That's why he ran away from me, right? That's why he ran away from me, right? He got away from me how many times?
Go on the other side.
Stupid ass.
Police contact the vehicle owner, who confirms the car was stolen and gives consent to search. Multiple personal items are missing, and the vehicle appears damaged from being driven without permission. Destiny faced charges for resisting or obstructing an officer and battery to a law enforcement officer, as well as operating a vehicle without consent. She currently owes the court $513.38. If you enjoyed this video, hit like.
She stole a car, gets a fine. Oh well. She'll be out doing it again. This is the shit I'm talking about. This is crazy, man. Judges are so freaking soft, but it's like, oh my God. I don't even want to talk about this shit, man. 5 out of 5. No, you know what? 5 out of 5, because he was by himself at first and he did the best that he could. You know, he was kind of scrambling. You could kind of tell he is kind of newer. She is kind of right. Oh, rookie, da. You could tell he's not as seasoned as the other guy, you know. But I'll give him a 5 out of 5. You know what I mean? The only way for you to become a better cop is for you to learn from your past mistakes. Anyways, yeah, this is just, the justice system is just so fucked, man. And we wonder why we have criminals committing the same crimes back to back to back to back. Not contributing to society at all, just being a menace. And then the ones that do, you know, when they do get sent away, the jails are so fucking overcrowded. It's a big problem. All right, fuck it. You talked me into a rant, okay? You talked me into a rant. I wasn't gonna go on a rant. I was just gonna leave the video, man, but you talked me into a rant. This is the problem. We have a major problem in the United States. The jails are so freaking overcrowded with criminals in general, right? And there's nobody that wants to take the fucking jobs as far as correction officers, right? You have nobody that don't want to take the jobs. So it's a huge shortage in correction officers, but the crime is going up. Like, the jails are overcrowded. So now you have people getting let out that shouldn't really be getting let out, or people getting let out early on sentences that they're actually doing. Why? Because more people they gotta put more people in there. But this is why some people like this, you don't see people getting prosecuted like that, because the jails are filled already. So what are they supposed to do? Go on probation, and they're gonna fuck probation up again because they're gonna continue to commit crimes, and it's just a revolving door. The jails are overcrowded, the COs are understaffed, it's a hectic environment in there, and it's a freaking nightmare. That's why you sit there and you be like, you're watching you are watching a lot of body cam videos, and you notice a similar thing, a similar pattern. The pattern is that they're getting either a fine, probation, charges dropped. Why? Because they cannot fill the jails with this shit. It's already overcrowded. That's the reason. So people get let out. You see shoplifters, they're on their 4th, 5th, 6th time shoplifting, not getting no punishment. Probation, fine, probation. Because they're not gonna put you in the jail for something that they would condemn as petty. When really it's not petty when you keep doing it over and over and over and over again. Unbelievable. You got guys committing M1s, M2s, getting no time for real. Those are automatic 25 to lives. You got guys committing manslaughters, getting barely anything. People stealing cars, you get a fine. If I'm driving, get my car stolen, somebody carjack my, you're getting a fine. It's a huge problem, and it's not going to get no better no time soon. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.